get out.
Yeah. No, you hold it.
Oh,
It's your creation.
It's not my creation, it's Dom's creation.
It's your bird.
Right, so down the flying field, and these are a couple of plain print gulls. This is the standard, what they call it, just the seagull, don't they, Nick?
Just a seagull, yeah.
And this is
for sloper.
yeah, with an EDF in it, 50mm
50mm.
EDF on 4S,
Yep.
1800.
Yep.
And this is George is holding the Great Gull, which is one of their latest designs. This is running on a 50mm fan as well, but it's on 4S 2600. So, but that's 1.8 meters. That's probably about 1.2, maybe 1.5.
I reckon 1.5.
But I like your scheme,
It's got
mate.
a wider cord than this one.
Nice paint scheme on yours.
Thank you.
But we're going to see how well this flies, aren't we, Nick?
Yes. My turn for the maiden field.
Why your turn? All right,
We've
good.
got it all set up, so yeah, let's see what happens. Brakes are all in, and
This has a moving rudder.
it does, yeah. So we've got the rudder tied to the aileron, and then we've also got rudder separately. And then on the throttle, we've got reflex in the wing, and when we increase the throttle, the reflex comes out the wing.
Oh, is that an advised mix from?
Yeah, so apparently if it's got the thrust tube, which this one has, then it should go to flat, which it's pretty much to flat on full throttle. So yeah, just as we increase the throttle, it just brings it back out.
Brilliant.
Hopefully you should stop it trying to climb.
All right, good luck, mate.
Thank you. Right, full power?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you reckon? Half?
I reckon 3/4, because you
3/4.
want it to climb away, don't
Yeah.
you?
Yeah.
And just be prepared to put a bit of up in and hit the power, really.
Low rates, everything. Right, ready?
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, watch out, watch out.
You're all right.
No, I'm not alright.
Nose down, nose down.
Increase your rate.
Take a bit of power off. High rate stab plan.
Right, go medium. Medium rate.
I'm off power, mate.
Your nose up.
Yeah, a bit nose up, Nick.
No, I'd say don't. It was flying nose up, so it's stalling.
Much it needs down trim or nose rate. Take it up a bit, get a feel for it.
I can't get it up. It will not go left.
Okay, bring her into land. Let her glide. Well done. So what do we think?
Well, it flew out absolutely beautiful. I thought, this is not a problem. We had no issues at all. And then as soon as I started to turn, it was like stuck in a turn, and I was like, oh, how am I going to get out of the turn? So I'm like full on the opposite aileron, and it's still going right. So I thought, I'll give it full left, right.
But I
and
think
it's
it was
still
like
going right.
I think it was like stalled.
Yeah, I think so.
So
I don't know, maybe.
and when it
trying-
was flying, it was like it was nose up attitude
Yeah.
slightly. So
Maybe it doesn't want any reflex in it then. Or it didn't have any reflex in it. Maybe it wants some down.
Maybe a little bit.
I mean, I put a stack of down trim in, and that seemed to calm it a bit. It's lively on the turns. So I don't know, or some nose weight.
A little bit of nose weight, I
Think
think.
a bit of nose weight.
Yeah.
I
okay,
think.
no take.
I think.
Let's go.
Right, so we've added 10 grams to the nose, just underneath the beak, as you see there. So
Okay. Yeah. 3/4 power again then.
oh, that already looks better. I can see kind of the attitude in the air. It looks better already.
Come off the power. Yeah. As soon as you come off the power, you've got no wing now. Oh, get back this way.
Yeah. Maybe.
Way better. It's way more controllable.
Let's switch to manual focus.
A bit more down, Nick.
See what the glide's like.
Because that'll be a key for where you reflex and that. Yeah. That looks pretty good, I've got to say.
Yeah, that's hands off.
What about turning now? Turn alright? You need a bit of speed probably to turn. That's alright. You'd expect it to dip slightly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think turn on the rudder and
That's beautiful. Look.
Yeah.
so realistic.
Really gentle movements is what it needs.
I flew one of the first ones when they first come out, always down the coast for one, and he built the Eagle. And the Eagle had a prop that just fell over it.
Yeah, the knack is slow and steady wins the race, right? I think with this.
Yeah,
Not too much throttle.
not too much control,
Yeah.
it's smooth.
A bit more down.
Yeah.
I think you're down this
Yeah, I would say that.
You think more of that mix? Yeah?
More of that mix,
I've got the
down
mix in
elevator with throttle.
So I got the mix in there, so we can just add a bit more percentage.
That's it.
Look at that.
On the glider, it's totally different. Now.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at that.
Well, different bird, isn't it?
Different bird, yeah.
And that's the same as the owl. That's what he advises, that mix as well.
You can see it's just hanging tail.
Are you flying on ailerons or rudder?
It's on both, it's on a mix.
Coordinated, which is no bad thing actually. Why people have to go about birds, you know. Good.
You want a bit more rudder to aileron mix as well, because when I take the oh, bit too slow.
Yeah.
When
No prop.
when I take the add a bit more rudder in on the turn, it's turning it better. So I think I'll add a bit more of that as well. But otherwise,
Oh, it's going pretty good.
yeah, we should probably land because we're
Second flight on the pack.
yeah, second launch on a. It's only on an 1800.
Just keep
I'm
the
not sure how we're going to make this turn. but
keep
we'll
the speed up. Keep the nose down. Yay! Well done,
What a
mate.
difference, 10 grams, mate.
I know. Balance so important.
Yeah, especially on something like that, right? I mean, they always say anyway, don't they? Wings are really sensitive to CG, but that is even more so because you've got a much thinner cord.
Yeah.
So it's,
Yeah, on that first flight, it was
That's
kind of
the
nose
way.
up. Oh, it's come off, has it?
the interesting thing is, did it fall off on landing or did it fall off mid-flight?
No,
But
I
I'd
reckon-
imagine landing. But yeah, so I think I had on there. Let's check what that was. Let me just put a throttle cut on, just to save Dad's fingers.
That way, would it? It'll land
Um,
itself just the black.
So I had on the mix
Nah.
exactly 20% throttle to aileron. So I think I'm going to bring that to 30. I think it needs more.
Elevator. Yes,
That's
elevator.
it, elevator, yeah. So the more you increase the throttle, the more the elevator goes down.
Yeah.
So I think we'll bring that up to 30 rather than the 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't say more than that.
No. Well, we can go 25. Well, let's split the difference.
Yeah, go 25. Little, because it's all right
Little
as it
changes.
is. You don't want it suddenly,
then-
I launch it and it beaks in.
Look
Then
good though. Look
the
good.
Rudder to aileron, I had the suggested 50%. Well, I'm going to bring that up to 60 because when I was feeding in a bit of rudder on the turn, it was behaving itself much better coming round. So I don't think I had enough rudder coming in with it. But yeah, I mean, on the glide, it's totally different. Like,
Yeah.
I think the key is, as he says in the manual, is to just try and keep that climb as flat as you can.
Yes.
And just don't over control it, just let it just slowly work its way up to height.
Yep.
But yeah, well, it looks real, doesn't it, when it's up? So
It looked really good.
yeah,
Good paint job as well,
yeah.
and a relatively quick print.
Yeah.
So link for this in the video description and a pinned comment.
Super.
Good collaboration on this one. Thanks very much, Nick. Good job.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers, Dom.